Hey guys, I'm Akash and welcome to Pabbly. So the topic for today's video is send WhatsApp message with meeting scheduling link on Instamojo payment. Now suppose guys you are providing some kind of consultation or services and to receive the payments from your customer you are using an online payment gateway just like Instamojo. And to manage all your appointments and meetings, you are using an application like Calendly or some other appointment booking application. So you want that whenever a customer makes you a payment, you have to send them the appointment booking link through which they can book the appointment with you. So the manual process of getting the payment details from Instamojo and manually sending them the appointment booking link is very much repetitive and time consuming. So to avoid this problem, I came up with an awesome automation in this video by which whenever we will receive a new payment on our Instamojo account, automatically a WhatsApp message with appointment or meeting booking link will be sent to that very same customer who made the payment. Interesting, right? Now you must be thinking how we are going to do this. So to make this happen, we will be using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration software. Now, what is the actual step-by-step guide to set up this automation and how you can use this automation by yourself? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you just have to go to your browser and search for pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So after reaching this dashboard, click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I'll name my workflow as Instamojo to WhatsApp and click on create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we can see two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is first we will get the details, the data of new payments which we are receiving on our Instamojo payment page inside Pabbly Connect. And then using Pabbly Connect, we will send the WhatsApp message to that very same customer who made the payment. So here in trigger window, in choose app, search for Instamojo. Instamojo it is. And then after that in trigger event, select new sale. So after selecting our trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we will connect our Instamojo payment link or payment page with Pabbly Connect. So how we are going to do this? You can refer to the help text given below. So just copy the webhook URL from here and then we will go to our Instamojo dashboard. So you can basically add this very same webhook URL to your existing payment page or payment link. I will create a new link in this video. Click on create new payment link and click on create link. After that select smart link. And in the purpose of the payment, for example, I'm receiving payment for my career counseling sessions. So I'm a career counselor. So by making the payment, users or my customers can book an appointment with me. So I'll name it as career counseling sessions. Then it is asking me for the price. So I'll enter a base price, for example, of 9 rupees. Click on customize link. Then after that, at this page, we have to select smart action. Just select smart action. Okay, just a second. We'll do this again. Okay, click on customize link. And after that, at this page, we will select smart action and then select add webhook. Then we can see we have a field over here. So the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect, we have to paste this very same webhook URL over here. So just paste it over here and click on done. Now we can see that the payment link which we have just now generated is now successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now every time we receive a payment from this payment link or payment page, the details or the data of that very same payment will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So we have to do the same. I will copy the URL of this payment page, go to an incognito tab and paste it over here. And then we will enter the details of a dummy customer and make a payment, so that we can capture the response or the data of this payment inside Pabbly Connect. So the name of the customer is Ashi Rai. Just a second. Ashi Rai, this is the email. And this is the phone number. Click on next. Now I'll make the payment over here. And the payment is done. We can see that just now on our payment link, we have received a new payment from a customer named as Ashirai. This is the email address and this is the phone number. So the phone number which customer has entered while making the payment, we will send the WhatsApp message on that very same number with the meeting scheduling or appointment scheduling link. So the payment is successful. Now because we have connected this payment link of our Instamojo account with Pabbly Connect, the response or the data of this very same payment will also be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And yes guys, here in Pabbly Connect we have received a response, and in this response we will find the payment ID of the very same payment which we have just now received. We will find the status as well as the amount. So guys, you will notice that the step 1 of setting up this automation is almost complete. But you can see that we haven't received the details of the customer who actually made the payment. So we have to basically retrieve the details of the customer in our next step using this payment ID. So to retrieve the details, we will scroll down and come to our action window. And here in Choose App, we will search for Instamojo. Instamojo once again. And then in action event, we will select get payment details. So you can refer to the help text given below over here in important notes that note that if you need full details corresponding to any transaction ID, then you need to use the Instamojo get payment detail event in the next action step. So we have done the same. Click on connect, select add new connection. And now here once again we have to connect our Instamojo account with Pabbly Connect using the API key and authentication token of our Instamojo account. Now here you must be thinking how we are going to get this. So to get the API key and authentication token of your own Instamojo account, just go to the dashboard of your Instamojo account, and after that on the left side you will find an option named as API and plugins. Just click on this and you will get the API key and authentication token of your Instamojo account. Enter those details over here and click on save to make the connection. I have already made the connection, so I will click on select existing connection and click on save. Now after connecting our Instamojo account once again in action step, it is asking us for the payment ID. Now we have received the payment ID of the new received payment in our trigger window response. So basically we have to map this very same payment ID over here in this field. And the process of mapping is very simple guys. We just have to simply click on this field, and from the drop down below we can see all the responses which we have received in our trigger window from Instamojo of a new payment can be seen over here. And out of all these responses, select the response for payment ID and click on save and send test request. Now after clicking on save and send test request, we have received a response over here, and in this response we will find all the details of the received payment. We have the amount of the payment, currency, we have the name of the customer who actually made the payment, we have the phone number and email address as well. So guys, basically the step 1 of setting up this automation is now successfully completed. We have successfully retrieved and collected the details or the data of the customer who actually made the payment on our Instamojo payment page. Now after that, we want to send this user a WhatsApp message with a link. By clicking on that link, the customer or the user whom actually made the payment can be redirected to our appointment or meeting scheduling application. For example, I am taking an example of Calendly. It is a common example, but basically you can send any kind of link on that WhatsApp message. So for sending the WhatsApp message, we will scroll down and click on this add action step button. And here in choose app, we will search for WhatsApp Cloud API. Select WhatsApp Cloud API. Then in action event, select send template message. Click on connect, select add new connection. So basically here we have to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I have already created my own Cloud API account, but if you haven't created your WhatsApp Cloud API account yet, don't worry guys, we have a separate dedicated video on that. And the link of that video will be in the description box below. So you can refer to that video to know how you can create your own WhatsApp Cloud API account. And after creating the account, you will reach on the app dashboard page like this. And at this very same page, you will find all the details which are required to make the connection of WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. We will find the temporary access token over here, the phone number ID, as well as the WhatsApp business account ID. So just copy the phone number ID from here, go back to Pabbly Connect, and here it is asking us phone number ID. So paste it over here. Then copy the WhatsApp business account ID from here, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Then after that, it is asking us for the token. And the help text says enter system user generated permanent token as explained here. So that authentication token, the API token which we get on this app dashboard page is a temporary access token, which means this token will expire every 24 hours. But guys, don't worry, there is a method by which you can generate a permanent access token which will never expire. So just click on this hyperlink in the help text and it will redirect you to the forum page of our forum. And it will redirect you to a page on our forum. And at this very same page, you will find all the details regarding WhatsApp Cloud API, how you can set up your own account, how to generate permanent access token and other details as well. So you can refer to this page. And after generating your permanent access token, just enter that token over here and click on save. I have already made the connection, so I will click on select existing connection and click on save. After making the connection, it is asking us for the template name. Now you must be thinking, what are these templates? So templates are basically some predefined WhatsApp messages which we want to send to a customer who made the payment. So to avoid the spamming of messages on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template message inside WhatsApp Cloud API, and then we have to get that template approved from Facebook, or should I say Meta. And after the approval, we can use that template to send WhatsApp message to our customer. So in the drop down below, you can see a list of template messages which I have already created in my own WhatsApp Cloud API account. Let me show you. We will go back to our app dashboard page and scroll down and come to the step 2. And over here, you will find a hyperlink. Just click on it. And after that, at this page, which is named as message template, you will find all the templates which I have already created in my own WhatsApp Cloud API account. So if you want to create a template, you just have to click on this create message template button over here. And if you don't know what is the actual process of creating the template and what are the features it offers, we also have a dedicated separate video on template creation. And the link of that video will also be in the description box below. So the template which we will be using in this video to send WhatsApp message is named as meeting link 1. Let me show you. So this is the template meeting link 1. Let me open it, and this is the kind of WhatsApp message I want to send to my users. So in this message, you will notice here in body section, after hello, I have entered a number in double curly braces. So you must be thinking, what is this? So basically this is a variable, a body field, a dynamic tag. So after hello, I wanted to add the name of the customer who is making me the payment, who is sending me the payment. So the name of the customer will be keep changing for every new payment. So to add the name of the person for every new customer for every new sending message, I have added a variable over here. After that, this message says, we have successfully received your online payment for, and we have another body field over here. So here in place of body field 2, I wanted to add the service which we offer like career counseling. And after that of rupees, and here in body field 3, I wanted to add the amount for which the customer is making me the payment. Then this message says, kindly visit this link to book your appointment. And here I will enter the appointment booking link. By visiting that link, that customer can make the payment or book an appointment. Sorry, not making the payment. The customer can book an appointment. After that, this message says, thank you and regards. So this is the kind of message I want to send to my users. So meeting_link_1. We will select this template message in Pabbly Connect. Let me refresh it once. Meeting_link_1. Then after that, language code and template ID is automatically detected. We don't have to make any changes over there. And then it is asking us recipient mobile number. So in place of recipient mobile number, we have to basically enter the mobile number of the customer who actually made us the payment. So we have received the details of the customer who made the payment in our second step after retrieving the customer details from Instamojo. So basically this is the mobile number of the customer and we have to map this very same mobile number over here. And the process of mapping is very simple as we saw. Simply click on this field and from the responses from our second step, we just have to select the response of phone number and we have mapped it. After that, it is asking us body field 1, field 2, field 3 and field 4. So in place of body field 1, we wanted to add in the name of the customer in our template message. So we will map the name of the customer over here. We will just click here. From the drop down below, just select the name of the customer. Then after that in body field 2, we wanted to enter the services which we are offering for which the customer is making the payment. So we took an example of career counseling. So I'll enter this service as it is over here. Then in place of body field 3, we wanted to add the amount for which the customer is making the payment. So we have also received the amount of payment from Instamojo response. So we will map the payment amount over here. And in place of body field 4, we wanted to add the link by visiting which the customer can book the appointment or meeting with us. So guys, I have already copied the meeting link. Let me show you. Let me paste it in a new tab. So this is the meeting or appointment booking link. And after visiting this link, this page, the customer who made the payment can book appointment with me. So we will add this very same link over here. And after entering the link and other details in the step of WhatsApp Cloud API, we just have to simply click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we have received a response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that a WhatsApp message with our selected template is now sent on this number. So let's check the WhatsApp account of this number. Let's go to WhatsApp account. And yes guys, we can see that just now we have received a WhatsApp message on this number, which says, "Hello Ashirai. We have successfully received your online payment for career counseling of ₹9. Kindly visit this link to book your appointment." And this is the link. So let's click on OK and this link becomes clickable. Just click on it and it will redirect the user who made the payment to the booking page from where the customer can book an appointment or meeting with us. Thank you, regards. So this is the very same template message which we have created in WhatsApp Cloud API and we send the very same WhatsApp message to our customer who made the payment. So we saw that the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Now let's just test this automation once. We will go back to Instamojo payment link which we have created from payment link section. Just copy the link of this payment link. Copy this link. We'll go to Incognito tab and this time we will enter the details of a new customer. For example, the name of the customer is Kunal Kapoor. Let's enter the email and phone number as well. So the phone number is, so this will be the very same phone number on which we will send the WhatsApp message. Click on next and let's make a payment over here once again. And the payment is done. We will see that the payment is successful. So just now we have received a payment from our customer named as Kunal Kapoor. This is the email address and this is the phone number. Now we will check the WhatsApp account of this number, that a WhatsApp message is automatically sent to this number or not. So let's check the WhatsApp account. And yes guys, we can see that a WhatsApp message is automatically sent to that very same customer who made the payment. The message says, "Hello Kunal Kapoor," means the name of the customer. "We have successfully received your online payment for career counseling, the service which we offer and the amount for which the customer made the payment. Kindly visit this link to book your appointment." And then we have the link for booking. Thank you, regards. So we saw that the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine and we have tested this automation in real time. Now let's just get back to Pabbly Connect and understand in brief that what are the steps we followed while setting up this automation. So first, we have created a workflow in Pabbly Connect where in trigger window, we have selected Instamojo and new sale was our trigger application. Then using a webhook URL, we have connected our Instamojo payment link or payment page with Pabbly Connect. Then we made a test payment, a dummy payment or a fresh payment on the very same payment link or payment page so that we can capture the response or the data of new payment inside Pabbly Connect. And but the data which we have received, the response which we have received was of a new payment, but that response does not consist any details of the customer who actually made the payment. So guys, we have used another step of Instamojo get payment details to retrieve the details of the customer who actually made the payment. And at last, we have sent all of this data collectively to WhatsApp Cloud API using Pabbly Connect to send WhatsApp message to that very same customer who made the payment on our Instamojo payment link with a URL, with a link by which the customer can book an appointment or meeting with us. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of this very same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this very same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.